Are you tired of overpacking or struggling to keep your travel essentials organized? Finding the right gear can make all the difference on your trips, ensuring you're not just prepared but also efficient and stress-free. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 travel gear items that promise to enhance your travel experience. From keeping your luggage in check to staying organized and secure, these products have got you covered. Let's dive into our list of the best travel gear. Number 1. Etekcity Luggage Scale Digital Portable Weigher is an essential tool for any traveler concerned about avoiding overweight baggage fees. This compact device is designed to help you weigh your luggage quickly and accurately. It features a high-precision sensor that provides readings in increments of 0.1 pounds or 0.1 kilograms, ensuring you can keep your bags within airline weight limits. Its ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, allowing you to lift your luggage with ease. The scale also has a sturdy strap that fits most handles, making it simple to attach and weigh even heavy bags. The large LCD screen displays your weight clearly, and the device has an auto-lock function to hold the weight even after you've set the bag down. This feature is particularly useful if you're weighing larger items and need time to read the display. Durability is a key aspect of this luggage scale. It's constructed from high-quality materials that can withstand regular use and the weight of heavy bags. Additionally, the scale's compact design makes it easy to pack and carry without taking up much space. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, the Etekcity Luggage Scale is a practical investment to avoid those unexpected fees and ensure a smooth journey.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Hula Home Continuous Fine Mist Spray Bottle. If you're looking for a travel accessory that adds a touch of luxury and convenience to your routine, the Hula Home Continuous Fine Mist Spray Bottle is worth considering. This spray bottle is designed to deliver a fine, continuous mist, perfect for moisturizing your skin, refreshing your face, or even keeping your hair in check during your travels. The design of this spray bottle is both functional and stylish. It features a sleek, ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand and a non-slip grip that ensures ease of use. The bottle's nozzle is engineered to produce a fine mist that provides even coverage without drips or spills. This is particularly useful for maintaining hydration on long flights or during your travels in dry climates. Quality is a standout feature of the Hula Home spray bottle. It's made from durable, high-grade materials that are resistant to damage and leakage. The bottle also has a generous capacity, meaning you won't need to refill it frequently, and it's designed to be easily refillable, making it a versatile addition to your travel kit. Its compact size allows it to fit effortlessly into your carry-on or travel bag, making it a convenient option for on-the-go hydration and freshness. In number 3, BAGAIL Compression Packing Cubes Travel Organizers. Keeping your suitcase organized can be a challenge, especially when packing for extended trips. The BAGAIL compression packing cubes offer a practical solution to this problem. These travel organizers are designed to help you maximize space in your luggage while keeping your clothes and accessories neatly arranged. The design of these packing cubes includes a compression feature that allows you to reduce the volume of your clothing by removing excess air. This helps you save valuable space in your suitcase, allowing you to pack more items or keep your luggage within weight limits. Each cube is made from durable, high-quality fabric that resists tears and stains, ensuring long-lasting performance. Usability is another highlight of the BAGAIL compression packing cubes. They come in a set of different sizes, making it easy to organize various types of clothing and accessories. The mesh top panel allows for easy visibility and ventilation, helping you find what you need quickly and keeping your clothes fresh. The cubes also feature sturdy zippers that glide smoothly and resist snagging, adding to their overall durability. Whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or a long vacation, these packing cubes are a must-have for efficient and organized travel. Number 4. TSA-approved cable luggage locks provide a reliable solution to keep your belongings safe. These locks are designed with a cable mechanism that makes them suitable for use on a variety of luggage types, including zippers, straps, and more. The key feature of these luggage locks is their TSA-approved design. This means that Transportation Security Administration agents can open the lock if needed during inspections without damaging it. The Re-settable combination feature allows you to set your own secure code, adding an extra layer of personalization and security. The 3-dial combination system is user-friendly, and you can easily change the code whenever you choose. The cable design of these locks offers flexibility and durability. The high-strength cable is resistant to cutting and tampering, providing peace of mind that your belongings are protected. The lock itself is constructed from robust materials that withstand rough handling and everyday wear and tear. For travelers looking for a practical and secure way to protect their luggage, these TSA-approved cable locks are an excellent choice. Number 5. TESSAN European Travel Plug Adapter with USB-C is designed to address this issue by providing a versatile solution for charging your devices in various countries. This adapter is compatible with outlets in over 150 countries, making it a valuable accessory for global travelers. The design of this adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack and carry. It features multiple plug types, including European, UK, and US plugs, which can be used in different regions. The USB-C port allows you to charge modern devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops, without the need for additional converters. Quality and usability are evident in the TESSAN adapter. It is built with high-quality materials that ensure durability and reliable performance. The adapter supports high-speed charging and is designed to be compatible with a wide range of voltage levels, making it suitable for use in various countries. Its compact design ensures it won't take up much space in your travel bag, while its versatile functionality ensures you can keep all your devices charged and ready to go during your trips. Number 6. OCHEAL Large Capacity Travel Makeup Bag is a fantastic choice. This makeup bag offers ample space to store all your beauty essentials, including makeup, brushes, skincare products, and more. The design of the OCHEAL makeup bag includes multiple compartments and pockets, allowing you to organize your items efficiently. It features a large main compartment with adjustable dividers, enabling you to customize the interior to fit your needs. The bag is made from high-quality, water-resistant material, protecting your cosmetics from spills and damage. Durability and usability are key aspects of this makeup bag. It's constructed with a sturdy handle for easy carrying and a secure zipper closure to keep your items safe. The bag's compact design ensures it fits comfortably in your suitcase or carry-on, while its spacious interior provides plenty of room for all your beauty essentials. Whether you're heading on a weekend trip or a longer vacation, the OCHEAL Large Capacity Travel Makeup Bag is an excellent choice for keeping your cosmetics organized and accessible. Finally, number 7. Tocelffe travel bottles offer a convenient and TSA-approved solution. These toiletry containers are designed to comply with airline regulations, allowing you to bring your favorite liquids and gels without any hassle. The set includes multiple bottles in different sizes, perfect for packing various types of toiletries, such as shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and more. Each bottle is made from high-quality, durable plastic that is resistant to leaks and spills. The bottles feature secure, leak-proof caps and a wide opening for easy filling and cleaning. Usability is enhanced by the included labels, which help you keep track of the contents of each bottle. The compact size of the bottles makes them easy to fit into your carry-on or travel bag, while their sturdy construction ensures they can withstand the rigors of travel. For travelers looking for a reliable way to bring their personal care items along, the Tocelffe travel bottles provide a practical and convenient solution. We covered 7 top travel gear items that are sure to enhance your travel experience. Whether it's keeping your luggage in check, staying organized, or ensuring your belongings are secure, these products offer practical solutions for common travel challenges. Don't forget to check the description for links to all these products. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and product reviews. Safe travels!